Hey guys, Keith here again. Now, today's video is going to be about cleaning up this disaster workbench that I have that I've neglected for way too long. Let me show you what I'm talking about. So, as you can see, this is a pretty big disaster that I have here, and I just need to organize this and tidy this up. So hopefully by the end of this video I have something that's somewhat usable and I can just move on to actually making something, hopefully. We'll see. Alright, time to get started. Let's go. Alright, so as you can see, this looks way better. We've cleaned off this portion of the counter and now we have to mount up this piece of plywood. I'm going to use some strapping that I have kicking around. I think I can use this stuff I got here, which came off of an exterior door, the trim, and we're going to cut that down, and then we're going to take it, we're going to strap it up to the ceiling joist up there, two pieces, one on each side, down to the bench top, and then mount the piece of plywood to it. And then we can start putting things into, putting screws into the plywood, because I don't have any hooks and I have lots of screws, and that will work great as hooks. So that's what we're going to do. Let's do it. Alright guys, so we have our wall put up now. It's not the most elegant solution. I probably wouldn't recommend it to everyone to get this done this way, but it's done and I can't really complain about it. I have my piece of 3/4 inch plywood on the wall, and obviously we've got a screw put in with a pair of pliers hanging there, so that's, you know, a step forwards. The end goal here is to the end goal here is to really have this completely cleared off with nothing on the bench. I want this spotless. Spotless. What does that mean? It means I don't want anything on the bench. So we got to get that done. But that's going to be it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you with the next one. Thanks.